Hello everyone. Hope you enjoyed last session where we started with illustrations. And in that session, you must have realized that we make combination of geometry and triangle trigonometry. So let us have more illustrations in this session also. So my first illustration is that in triangle ABC, angle B is given to be 90 degree, BM is perpendicular to AC, and the circle on BM as a diameter is drawn, and triangle AKC circumscribes the circle, and the ratio PK upon AC is asked. Now, when you read all this, I'm so sure that it looks that so many things are there. But pick up every word written there and try to make a good figure. When I say good figure, your figure, what you are drawing there, should actually tell many things. Like if your figure, the question says angle B is 90 degree, then that angle B should look like 90 degree. Then you will be able to understand many other things perhaps from the picture itself. So exactly whatever is required there, that I have drawn. I have drawn BM as the diameter, I have drawn the circle, then triangle AKC circumscribes the circle, means triangle AKC from outside and circle inside, means basically circle becomes the in circle for triangle AKC. And when I look at that all, then point Q is not given in the problem, but point P is given. So I have named point Q from my side. When I look at the figure, I realize that AP and AM, they are the tangents drawn from point A to the circle. So their lengths should be equal. Such geometrical ideas you must get when you draw the correct figure. And I use that. AP is same as AM, CM is same as CQ, and PK is equal to KQ. And I have named them as say XYZ. So that every time I need not write A, P, A, M, etc., I will write X. As I said, it's better that you give names there. Also, when I look at what is asked, it is PK upon AC. Look in the picture, where is PK shown? At PK, I have written name there as Z, and PK upon AC. AC is AM plus MC. So it becomes X plus Y. So PK upon AC is asked, means question is regarding that find out the value of Z upon X plus Y. This is to be obtained. Okay. Now take usual notation, S as semi-perimeter and delta as the area of the triangle, and write certain things. Semi-perimeter is the perimeter's half. And what is perimeter here? X plus Y plus Z plus Y plus X plus Z. That means twice of X plus Y plus Z is the perimeter. Half of that would be X plus Y plus Z. So small s is X plus Y plus Z. And area is square root of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Using that, S I have written as X plus Y plus Z. S minus A means S minus Y plus Z. S minus Y plus Z means X. So S minus A part becomes X, S minus B part becomes Y, and S minus C becomes Z. So delta becomes under root X plus Y plus Z into XYZ. Now small r is delta upon S, so I have kept ready expression for small r. Now triangle AMB and triangle BMC are similar. Why do I say so? Look at the figure and tell me angle MAB, if I name as theta, then angle ABM will become 90 minus theta, correct? And then angle MBC will become theta. So angle MCB will become 90 minus theta. So three angles are equal. Three angles of what? Of triangle AMB and BMC. So they are similar triangles. And since they are similar triangles, I can always write BM upon MC equal to AM upon BM. And now BM square due to this will become AM into MC. And AM into MC means X into Y. Okay. What is BM? BM is twice of R. So BM square will become 4R square. So 4R square equal to XY. Now equation 1 and equation 2 both have R in it. So R square I can get from equation 1 and I can substitute in second. And from there I will get 4XYZ upon X plus Y plus Z equal to XY. XY and XY will get cancelled. You will get 4Z equal to X plus Y plus Z. That leads to X plus Y equal to 3Z. And what are we expected to find out? PK upon AC, and that is Z upon X plus Y. So Z upon X plus Y you can find out from here. And Z upon X plus Y would be nothing but 1 by 3. So the correct answer is C. What it required? Basic formula, what we have already listed somewhere. Now I go to second one, and it is if O is the circumcenter of an acute triangle ABC and DEF are the midpoints of the sides, then OD plus OE plus OF is, and then we have four options, and the correct option is to be picked up. Now, whatever information is given in the problem, please try to draw the figure, which I have drawn here, and angle BOC would be double of angle BAC, correct? And BOC is double of angle BOD also. So angle BOD and basically equal to angle BAC. So I have written there A, okay? Also, OD upon R from the figure I am saying is nothing but cos A. Similarly, you can write expressions for OE and OF also. And from there, I will be able to get OD plus OE plus OF, and that would be R times cos A plus cos B plus cos C, which is sigma cos A. And we have already done formula for sigma cos A, and that is 1 plus R upon R. Substitute that, simplify it, and that will lead to R plus R. And R plus R is the option D, correct? So the correct option is D. Now, what it needed was just the correct figure and sigma cos A formula, right? So let us move to the next one. The next one is in triangle ABC, angle C is pi by 2, and we are required to find out twice of small r plus capital R, and we are given four options in terms of small a, small b, small c. The correct option is to be picked up. Now, as I said before, correct figure is required. I have drawn one right triangle with angle C as 90 degree. And then our usual notation I have written. In radius I have named as R. Realize this, if you are drawing two tangents from C to the in circle, then those lengths small r and smaller I have shown there, they are equal. So the remaining part I am showing there as A minus R, and there at the top I am showing as B minus R. Again, I can have A minus R written on the hypotenuse part also, B minus R also I can equate on the hypotenuse, and I realize that the total hypotenuse AB becomes the sum of B minus R and A minus R. And AB means small c. So small c is A minus R plus B minus R. And that leads to 2R equal to A plus B minus C. Correct? Also, angle C is 90 degree, means AB is going to be the diameter of the circumcircle of triangle ABC. I hope everybody heard what I said. AB is a diameter of the circumcircle of triangle ABC because C is 90 degree. And AB, due to that, would be 2R, where I am using capital R for circumradius. So realize this, that capital 2R I can write as small c, and hence twice of capital R plus small r turns out to be nothing but small a plus b. So the correct option is A. Now what it needed? It needed basic geometry, what you have already done in your previous classes. Only thing is little alertness is required. Now let me move to the next problem. And the next problem is in triangle ABC, XYZ are the distances of the circumcenter from BC, CA and AB respectively. And if K is a constant, then A upon X plus B upon Y plus C upon Z equal to ABC upon K times XYZ. If we are writing like this, then what must be the value of K? And again, four options are given. We have to find the correct option. That goes without saying every time. Now, as I said before, write picture, figure, you must draw there. Now, whatever is required from the problem, that I have shown there. Only small x I have shown. I have not shown small y and small z. I leave that to you. I'm sure you will be able to draw. When you look at the figure, I have shown there somewhere a by 2 also. I have shown there small x also. And I have shown angle A at the center in that triangle. Correct? So, I have some information about x, a by 2 and angle A. Now, x upon a by 2, I can write as cot A. This I am writing from the figure. Though I have not shown the other part, like small y and small z, etc. But will you not be able to write on your own? I think you can. That y upon b upon 2 would be cot B, and also z upon c by 2 would be cot C. Now, also for a triangle, we know that sigma tan A equal to product tan A. Means cot A I can invert or I can take reciprocal and I can get tan A, similarly tan B, tan C, and that would lead to A upon 2 upon X plus B upon 2 upon Y plus C upon 2 upon Z. This left hand side stands for sigma tan A equal to product tan A. Exactly. The product tan A means tan A, tan B, tan C. Those values I substitute, and that is A by 2 into B by 2 into C by 2 whole divided by XYZ. Now, if you simplify this, what you get further? You get 1 by 2 into A by X plus B by Y plus C by Z equal to 1 upon 8 times ABC upon XYZ. Now, 2 and 8 you can cancel, make that 4, and that would lead to K equal to 4, and we were required to find value of K itself. So, the correct answer is D. Now, all these 4 questions were different. I have tried to use geometry as and when required. I tried to use triangle trigonometry formulae also. You must have realized that how subtly we bring geometry part also in the question. One important thing what you must have observed is the correct pictures, correct figures you are expected to draw. Please do that and keep enjoying the sessions on triangle trigonometry. Meet me in the next session. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you.